In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp chat button in Blogger. If you want to make it easier for visitors to contact you directly from your blog, adding a WhatsApp chat button is a simple and effective option. It gives readers a quick way to reach out, ask questions, or start a conversation without needing to search for your contact page. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to place that button inside your Blogger layout using the built-in gadget feature. Start by opening your Blogger dashboard and selecting the blog where you want the WhatsApp button to appear. Make sure you're working on the correct blog, especially if you manage more than one, because the changes will only apply to the blog you choose here. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Layout. This is where Blogger lets you manage the structure of your site and control where different elements appear. You'll see sections for areas like the header, sidebar, and footer, depending on your theme. Next, choose the location where you want the WhatsApp chat button to show up. A sidebar is often a good option if you want the button to stay visible alongside your content, while the header or footer can work well if you prefer a cleaner look. After choosing the section you want, click Add a Gadget. A window will open with different gadget options you can add to your blog. Scroll through the list and select HTML/JavaScript. This gadget is useful because it allows you to paste custom code directly into your layout, which is exactly what you need for a WhatsApp chat button. Now paste the HTML link or code for your WhatsApp button into the content area. Before saving, it's a good idea to quickly check that the code was pasted completely and without extra spaces or missing characters, since even a small formatting issue can prevent the button from displaying correctly. When everything looks good, click Save. Blogger will then add the gadget to your selected section. After saving, it's worth previewing your blog to confirm that the WhatsApp chat button appears in the right place and looks good with your current theme. If needed, you can always go back into layout and move the gadget to a different area for better visibility. That's it. You've successfully added a WhatsApp chat button in Blogger, making it easier for your visitors to connect with you directly from your site.